My name's Thomas Dunn. I'm the design manager engineer for Mannok Precast. Here at Mannok we deal with a wide range of products and clients. We manufacture hollow core slabs, precast stairs and precast balconies. They range from small domestic houses, self-builds, right up to large scale projects, car parks, nursing homes, etc.
I'm Carl Wilson. My role on this current project is a project manager. This project, it's a 92 bedroom care home. It's built for a new client of ours, so Signature Living. So we've actually managed to win this project and change it into a trad build rather than a RC frame building. It's going to be built up over 3 floors, and so that's precast slabs on all floors, including the roof.
We manufacture a wide range of hollow core, varying from 150mm deep up to 400mm deep, spanning up to 17 metres.
I know a couple of our team went over to the factory earlier this year to basically see the manufacturing process and understand it for the wider developments that we do.
My name is Mark Hunter. I am Assistant Divisional Manager here at Mannok Precast Division. At the core of our quality system is ISO 9001, the internationally recognised standard for quality management systems. This framework ensures that every aspect of our production, from procurement to final inspection, is structured, documented and continually improved. It is our internal quality system, required by CE marking, that verifies every unit of precast concrete we produce meets the technical specification. Factory production control ensures that we apply that quality on the ground every single day.
My name is Ryan Tabb. I'm the National Key Account Manager of Mannok Build GB. Precast is an important division of Mannok Build GB. Mannok have worked with Lawrence Baker in over 38 schemes. This project is installing hollow core and precast stairs and flooring. It is scheduled to be installed over 4 site visits of approximately 113 loads and 41 days on site.
As a professional team on site as well, they do deliver where we need them to be and they follow all our safety guidelines, and we find we work well together, both Lawrence Baker and Mannok. We use Mannok because basically the general turnaround and the service we get on site and the support overall, it's very good. They do help us out an awful lot with the design stage, getting involved early, and obviously the turnaround, because we are a good customer, we do get our dates we prefer quite quickly. So yeah, they're very good.
Mannok's precast market share continues to grow in GB, which aligns with our long-standing customers such as Lawrence Baker.